Ypsilanti State Hospital, summer of 1959. I have 3 patients who believe they're Jesus Christ. I want to put the 3 of them in a room and study their behavior. What do you think will happen? I don't have a clue. There can only be one Jesus. Only one God.
One God, 2 re-rise hicks.
We do not have false hollowed-out gods in Great Britain.
Knock it off.
Knock it off!
Is it possible to really understand someone else's delusion? There are limits you can't exceed.
Why do you want to work with paranoid schizophrenics?
Because they're so lonely. Companionship, joy, hope. Will I be able to offer these men a means to find themselves?
Can I ask you something? What took you so long to respond to me? I sent you a very well-crafted message 3 weeks ago. And today, out of the blue, you hit me up asking if you want to grab dinner. What changed?
I didn't feel like being alone. Not tonight.
So you turned to Tinder. So what happens tonight?
Did you think we were gonna have sex?
Nah, look at you. No, I thought we were gonna hang out, maybe get to know each other.
Failed to execute a turn signal back there.
Go ahead and ask you to step out of the vehicle for me.
Could you please hurry up?
What did you say?
It's just cold.
Get on the ground! Keep your hands where I can see
Why is he under arrest? What is your badge number?
Chill, just chill!
I'm reaching for my cell phone! Now let's go.
Cop killers! Cop killers!
It was self-defense.
뭐야, 소독해? 창문 닫아.
나도 봐. 공짜로 집안에 소독도 하고.
부모님 얼굴도 뵙고 좋더라. 건강들 하시고.
일거리가 없으셔도.
네가 내 대신 얘 과외 선생님 좀 해줘라. 영어.
대학생인 척하라는 거야?
구라를 좀 치지 뭐.
넌 이 좋은 실력으로 왜 미대는 맨날 떨어지냐?
아이씨, 죽을래.
저는 이게 위조나 범죄라고 생각하지 않아요.
참으로 시의적절하다. 부자들이 원래 참 잘 속아. 사모님이 뭐랄까.
풀타임으로 수업 어떻게 하시는지. Is it okay with you? 우리 다송이는 완전 예술가 재질인데.
찐펜지를 그린 거죠?
자화상이에요.